So this comes with the seaweed hybrid of Japanese, Taiwanese ramen. So let's see how it tastes. Soup first. Yeah, it tastes very balanced. It's like tangy, but then also a bit of salted note to that. The noodles, deep lingering umami.
Look at this, it looks beautiful. I will first go with the noodles. They look perfect. It kind of warms your heart. It's hot and simple. Wow, that's crazy. So good.
This is Tianyu noodles in Shilin district.
A fried Wagyu rice with crispy fried onions on top.